Welcome to ChemPlus. Welcome to ChemPlus. Today we are going to look at a question on metallic bonding. My students kind of struggled with this question here. Describe the structure and bonding in gold. It was worth 3 marks. Now with a question like this, you can take the option of sketching a diagram to clearly show that the atoms are arranged in layers. The atoms are arranged in layers in a regular pattern. They form a giant lattice. You are not being asked to discuss the properties that gold conducts electricity because it has delocalized electrons. No, we are not asking you to describe the problem. We want you to describe the structure in gold. When the atoms are arranged in layers, the outer shells merge and the electrons in the outer shells become delocalized. What we mean is all these electrons in the outer shell no longer belong to any of these atoms. They become delocalized throughout the structure. Now, how are you going to be assessed on a question like this? Do not talk about molecules in a question like this. Do not talk about conduction of electricity. We're looking at the structure. Let's go. Mark scheme. If you say the bonding in gold is a giant structure or a giant lattice, you might say the atoms are arranged in a regular pattern. You get a mark. You might want to say there is a sea of delocalized electrons. You get a mark. And the final thing that you want to spell out that you understand this is you might want to spell out that the nucleus is positively charged and the electrons are negatively charged. The electrons have got negative charge, but all the nucleus of these are positively charged, and therefore there is positive ions and electrons attracting each other. There is that strong electrostatic attraction between the positively charged ions and negatively charged ions, which is what the metallic bond is. You get a mark. I hope that helps.